Hello, let's create shortcut for today and yesterday in historical filter fields. You can analyze it faster by creating shortcuts to your report this way. Let's start creating this shortcut. Create ourselves a new calculated column with the if condition. Make sure your formula works correctly by filtering the new column. You can create a new slicer or copy another slicer with Ctrl+A. Filter your values today and yesterday. Finally, we make the formatting settings. Additionally, by using the Edit Interactions feature, you can ensure that the chart you want is not filtered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.